Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read a very beautiful story with a beautiful lesson for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the story. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the name of the story and the moral. Let's start the story. If you don't stop crying this instant, said the old nurse to the child who sat screaming on her lap, I'll throw you out of the window to the wolf. At that very moment, a wolf happened to be passing under the window and heard what the nurse had said. So he sat down to wait, saying to himself, this must be my lucky day. From the way that baby is crying, my dinner ought to be coming out of that window any minute now. He waited and he waited. The baby stopped crying and went to sleep, and nothing happened. All through the cold night, the wolf sat there, his mouth watering whenever he thought of the dainty morsel. He was tired and stiff from sitting in one position. Then toward the morning, the glad sound of a baby crying came out from the window again. Rushing to the window, he looked up at the nurse and wagged his tail. But all the old nurse did was to shut the window with a bang and set the dogs upon the hungry wolf. As he trotted away, the wolf said to himself, next time I want to believe all I hear. The name of the story, The Nurse and the Wolf. The moral, enemies' promises are made to be broken.